Say welcome to the vlog. Good morning, y'all. You guys, I'm so excited because this is really like my first time out of the house in a while, now that I'm thinking about it. So I have some time, so I got some coffee. We got my journal. I just wanted to do some journaling and stuff before construction starts today, so that way I can get out of the house and get some fresh air, even though it kind of smells like cigarettes right here, so that's fun. All right, we're back home. And you guys would be so proud of me. I've been actually cleaning out my room and going through all my clothes. I've been wanting to clean out this rack for the longest time, and I initially had it in here, not necessarily for storage, but more so because I'm so visual, as I say all the time. So I was like, I really want this rack to like be outfits I want to try, or like put together outfits and have them here, just because that way I can like see things and like kind of put together, you know, that's what this was meant for. This was meant for that. This was meant for inspiration or pieces I'm like wanting to wear and need to style or like figure out, you know, whatever. It kind of turned into like more storage and just random stuff got here. So I've been working on putting things away and leaving this truly just to things that I really have been kind of wanting to wear, or newer things that I have that I've yet to wear, because that way it's not going to get lost in my closet. So, for instance, this Free People shirt, it's like such a good layering piece and you can wear it with so many different ways, but I just like, I need to see things, otherwise I forget I own them. So, been going through this. I made a lot of progress. And then while I was doing this, I also was going through and adding some new things that we can list on my Poshmark. This was actually something I was like, oh, I want to keep it, but I've had it for years and I've worn this so many different times. I wore this to Stagecoach. I've worn this in so many different things. I just feel like it's time for her to go to another home. This white fox dress, it's so good, especially like anytime I would be feeling insecure in my body. Like, this is a dress that just whoosh, like so good. I'm gonna add that to the Poshmark. I also have this really cute skirt that is just too short for me, you know, like this wouldn't even cover the booty for me. And yeah, I feel like I'm kind of finding my style. Like, it's so cute. I just think it would be even cuter for someone else. It's just not my style anymore. Crazy. Another top I like, I just never wear it, like, ever. And it's funny because it's not that this isn't me, I just never reach for it. So I would rather, I don't know, I would rather someone else have it. Another one's this skirt from Revolve. It's like genuinely perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. I love it as a set. I think I just don't necessarily like tops like this. I don't know. I know it's kind of late, but I feel like everyone's having a late New Year's this year, but New Year, new me. That's what it feels like. I feel like I'm like cleaning out my closet, just kind of getting back into routine of things. We're making moves, y'all. We're making moves. Tell me you have ADHD. How many notebooks do I have that are brand new? So yeah, go follow me on Poshmark. If you haven't, I always have it linked down below if you want to buy some of my clothes. All right, the sun is so bright, hence me leaning over and trying to vlog from this angle. I'm quickly gonna run to Sephora because I lost my favorite KVD palette, which y'all know. You know I love it. No idea where it went. I don't know if I left it somewhere. I don't know. I have truly no idea. Which was fine because honestly it was running low anyway, but I haven't been here in a minute, so we're gonna pick one of those up. I wanted to do a video of like makeup I still use that I used in 2016, and I was like, I need that palette because I use that every day. That was so sad, you guys. They don't sell KVD anymore. I couldn't find it, and then I asked the girl and she was like, oh yeah, we don't carry that anymore. I was like, ah! So I'm gonna see if Ulta has it and order it there, and I'm kind of slightly devastated, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, and then I looked for the Luminous Silk my foundation to get a bigger size, and they were also like fully out of that, so rough day. Anyways, I got a few things. We're gonna see if I can find it online. Next stop for errands is I need to pick up some medications. I've put it off as long and as far as I can. I should try to get my steps in, and I should park further, but that means I'd have to walk further. So, you know. All right, this should literally take 2 seconds. I don't know why I put off things that take 2 seconds. It's so dumb. We got the goods. Genuinely took 2 minutes. New year, new me, guys. We are getting shit done. We are not procrastinating. I totally lied. Vaughn's was across the street, so I was like, I'm just gonna go in and grab a few things. That's what we're gonna do. These core powers have been so nice because I can like have breakfast really quick because there's not much room to cook. I like the strawberry, but honestly, chocolate's my favorite. Dang, this is the time to get Christmas stuff, guys. 75% off, that's crazy. Also, there's Valentine's Day stuff already. Insane. I will say that's a cute vase. That's a really cute vase. I'm dying at me only getting drinks. This is actually really funny. Oh my god, caffeine. I can't believe it's all drink. I'm blanking. I literally just this is why I need to write stuff down. I kind of feel like in honor of 2016 being so trendy, I'm kind of obligated to get this. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I didn't get anything healthy. We got some chips, we got popcorn, we got protein drinks. Woo! All right, we're officially headed home, and I was just gonna tell you guys something. I forget. Oh, in case you were curious, KVD is sold on Ulta.com, so that's where I ordered it from. And hopefully it comes soon, because my nose contour, it's been fine. I've just been having to use eyeshadow, which it's a little like harder to work with, I guess. I don't know. Isn't it all just powder? Who knows? Update. It's been a while. I'm now at Ashley's because I was like, I can get out of my house now because construction was done. So I decided to come here, and then Greer decided to come here, and then now we're gonna play Mario Party. And guys, we opened the Boom Chicka Pop. I showed them that I got it at 20 out of 10. Mia, need. Remy, you need. 2016 is here and it's healing and it's amazing. I like didn't think I would taste icing.
No, me neither.
But
The icing is the best part.
oh, so good.
Dimension.
Hi, Chloe. Chloe May and Boom Chicka Pop. I'm so sorry. Like, we're so back. And I brought wine.
We might have to be the same.
That I can even go in reverse. Ashley just made us all lose stars from our coins shit from Bowser, and I was like, "You're not even trying."
Technically, you said you're not even trying before she sent us to
Because she got one, and I knew.
You triggered
On
me.
a dice. I didn't trigger you.
Dice
I literally. Oh wait, vote. Cage catch? No. Bruiser bash?
We're against Ashley. Okay.
Oh, got it.
Oh, you guys fucking wild. Also, I just gave a star to Jackson.
No, that was rough.
We know that.
Better than the bullet.
Okay, Ash, swim.
And then what do we do?
We got a catcher.
Move it.
I'm left and right.
Oh, and then I have to press.
Yeah, so we'll tell you. We'll
Catch?
say and yeah. Corner her.
Oh shit! Sorry. Do we only get one?
No, just wait for us. And
You're so fast.
I know she is like swimming. How did you win? How did you win? No, I'm not kidding. The example was like slow, and this was like
What the
a
fuck?
fucking piranha.
It's because she didn't hit a cheap. I feel like
Oh yeah, so when you gave him a star, you put him in first.
No.
That's rough.
It wasn't.
I didn't mind him getting a star.
They need to
I
know
just-
it wasn't intentional. It was a chance time.
No, we all know Chance.
And we all know Chance.
And he's getting. Oh no, I'm gonna get him. Let me try. Good morning. Another day of construction. But today's an extra exciting day because the countertops for the kitchen are getting installed. I'm so excited, you guys. Maybe I can get a sneak peek of it as I'm heading out because I have to leave in like 20 minutes. Oh my god, there's like so much happening. Okay, so this was the wrong one. But that's the right one. Obsessed. Okay, let me get out of their way. Also, the living room is somewhat back together. So pretty.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Wow. Yay.
And you'll see the island.
Oh, thank you so much.
So beautiful.
I can't even begin. The paint looks so good. Like, honestly, so good. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. This painting's up. It's dry. Okay, I'm late. I gotta go. Okay, officially on our way. It's a little too pink than I wanted, but that's okay. I'm really excited. So we decided as a friend group, we were like, you know what? We see each other a lot for work, but we need to start hanging out more just like as friends and less like at the studio or like things like that, because I feel like whenever we're working, it's like exhausting. Like, you know, when you like see someone a lot, but you don't like intentionally see them. So we decided this year we want to like every month take turns planning something to do that we all three can do, and it doesn't matter what it is, but we thought that'd be a fun thing to incorporate this year, like a friend date. And this month Ollie's starting it off, and we're going to this Tea by Shiloh, I think that's what it's called. It's in downtown. Guys, how many times have I been in downtown the past few vlogs, which is crazy because I am never in downtown. I'm really excited because I've never been here, and it looks really cute, and you can just like go. I brought my journal, I brought my laptop, and I think we're just gonna hang out and like work, funny enough, but you know, just chill and hang out, quite literally sip some tea. Also, I'm so grateful because Laura, my assistant, is back from vacation. She was in Bali. She's watching the house, so don't worry. Rosie and the house are good, but it's nice being able to get out of the house because I didn't realize for the past, it's gonna be 3 weeks tomorrow. Almost every day for the past 3 weeks, I've just been home in my room kind of watching construction happen, other than the last time I was out here for downtown. So I'm very grateful I get to leave the house. It actually feels nice, but they're working so hard. They're working literally even over the weekends. I was like, yo, if y'all are willing, if you guys want to work at weekends, like that's fine with me. I'm just here. Also, I've been pumping out the content for vertical form of just the process so I can kind of update you guys in real time, because obviously I want to do a main channel video, but that'll be at the end when everything's done and I can do a full sit down. So obviously follow me on TikTok and Instagram, y'all, if you want to see those. But also obviously the vlog, you get more of like a day-to-day update. There's a lot of days with no updates. Not no updates, but it's like, okay, they finished painting, they did the second coat. I also don't want to put like a camera in everyone's face because that's kind of rude. They're so sweet. They're always like, no, you can film, and I'm like, thank you. Also, I'm kind of pissed because every morning I've been seeing this bird like chilling on my car, and there's so much bird poop, and I was just like, what the hell, like this is so annoying, right? But also like, slay queen, whatever. So then I get my car washed yesterday. I hop in it today to leave, and I look, I see bird shit in 3 spots. This car was clean yesterday, and I'm like, girl, what is happening? Because I know it's the same bird. I know it is. I don't know if she's like, this is my new nest, a Mercedes. I have no idea. I don't know what's happening, but I'm just like, I feel like she has a vendetta against me. Like, it feels personal at this point. It's specifically on both of my mirrors. Like, she's just sitting on my mirror and wants to take a shit. It's just so fucking... It is so rude. Okay, but also, message sent. I filled up the water fountain. Sometimes the birds like the water fountain, and it was empty the other day, so maybe that's her telling me, give me my bath bag. I don't know. Ollie driving us is crazy.
I'm gonna drive all night.
Wait, start right. This is crazy.
Oh, sorry. He's just so bullshit. I'm rolling down the window.
That was chaotic.
Contact high.
No, it does smell a little.
This is so weird.
A little dank.
Can I report it? I'm gonna report it. I hope that they had a lovely trip though. I'm sure they had a wonderful
Oh, we have 15 minutes. Guys, we're literally driving in the the driverless car.
Oh my god, I used to live here!
Hey, the way that there's literally no driver is crazy. Bye, girl. Thank you. Get in, Romy. That was the cutest. This is her getting in.
I'm like, why is there so much distance?
I'm like,
Why is there so much distance?
I told them that we're gonna start hanging out more, and we're doing friendship dates where we each take a month.
Isn't that fun?
I love
That's
it.
such
If
a
you're
fun idea.
watching, you should also do it with your friends and let us know activities that you're gonna do, and then we'll copy you.
Yeah, we'll copy you. Give us advice.
Yes.
The clip of Ollie's face so close. Yay!
Yay. We also ate all of Ollie's.
Highly
They
recommend,
typically
you
were.
guys. Really good.
And
A
then
great
I played
snack.
with pens for the longest time. You know, you're getting older and more mature when you're like, I just want like my own pen. But like my pen. Like that pen.
Penis.
My penis.
Penis. Which penis do you like?
There's so many different kinds.
So many different nibs.
Look at this sweet little girl. Look at this sweet little girl. All right, jump scare. We have a face mask on. My skin's been so dry lately, which is so rare for me. Like normally my skin's oily, like so oily. So it's been feeling a little extra dry. So found a mask, but okay, I look kind of crazy. I'm so sorry, but I wanted to do some journaling before bed. Ollie gave me some extra pens that he has that he really likes because, you know, I think I told you guys that. I always forget who I said what for what vlog or whose camera or what. Like, I'm like, I have no idea. So I'll try these two. Lately, it's not that I haven't been sleeping well. It's just hard to fall asleep. And then I think, Alicia, you're literally on your phone. So tonight I really wanted to not be on my phone specifically before going to bed because I'm just like, I'm so tired of wanting to fall asleep and then not for whatever reason. We're gonna start our journaling with 3 things that we're grateful for. Again, I used to be so good at every day, even just talking to myself, I would say 3 to 5 things I was grateful for. And then I've gotten so off of that. Man, I like didn't realize how much I loved that habit. It just always made me, like I never forgot. Now I'm just struggling to write it down. Love the pen. Oh my god, that's so satisfying. I'm kind of just brain dumping right now and getting shit out of my head because I'm like, maybe if I just get it all out of my head, then when I'm trying to fall asleep, I'm not thinking about so much, even just from things I need to get done or do. All right, I'm gonna finish this up and then go to bed. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow.